Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this episode we are going to be speaking about, do you have to be born with gifts to become a medium? Now, to each and every one of you who are long-term viewers, welcome back, and to all of the new viewers, welcome. I have noticed that 80% of you aren't subscribed to the channel, yet you watch the channel, you watch our content. Come on, smash that subscribe button and hit the like button if you do enjoy this video. In this video it's going to be very controversial. Every one of my videos are controversial, if I'm completely honest with you, but I just like to give that little bit of a disclaimer at the beginning. Do you have to be born with gifts? No. None of you have gifts. Well, I'll rephrase that. The only gift that you have is life. That is the only gift that you have. What one human being can do, each and every other human being can do, given that they have the same understanding. When it comes down to mediumship, there are a lot of individuals, egotistically driven, who want to keep this back from each and every one of you. They don't want you to be able to do mediumship. They want you to pay thousands of pounds for courses, then to tell you you aren't good enough. First of all, we do it for free. Also, we have a 100% success rate with educating people. Individuals who want to help themselves. You know, there has been a lot of people who have stepped away from, because I thought, you know what it is, if you're not going to help yourself, don't waste my time. And there's one thing that you have to understand. You all have the abilities. You already have the skill sets to become great mediums. Why, you might ask? Well, because the way that we are genetically created, as a species, we have evolved with extrasensory perceptions. The clear abilities among each and every one of you operate from birth. Operate from birth. It is for people like myself. It is our job to not just give you the foundations that you need to become a medium, to give you the understandings along the way so that you don't become scared and so you don't lose your path. At the end of the day, you've got to remember, this is a difficult journey. It can become very, very lonesome. It can become very, 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 very frustrating. And why is it? It's because it's not for everyone. Completely honest, you know, there's a lot of people who probably watch these videos and you might think, well, what's it like to see a spirit? I've seen that many spirits I don't care to count. Like, literally, since the age of 6, I've seen spirit all of my life. To me, seeing a spirit is nothing special. It really isn't. And I know there's a lot of you going, oh my God, it is special. How dare you say that about spirit? Well, I work with them closely. It's I don't get away from them. It's amazing. I'm not saying it's not, but what I'm saying to each and every one of you, we all have very different understandings, very different experiences, which is the point that I'm trying to lead on to. You are all unique. You are all very different. What one person can do, each and every human being can do. Yes, I know it's one of those where you can argue and say, well, actually, some people can do things better than other people. Yes. But if you are shown how to tune into your extrasensory perceptions and into your clear abilities, then guess what, my friends? Each and every one of you would be exactly the same as me. Now, I know you probably don't want to be bald and a male and sitting on camera in the bedroom talking into a camera. But the point that I'm trying to make with that is each and every one of you can do what I do. I can show you, I can lead your hand along this winding path of despair. I can show you, I can be there at the other side to help you to contact the spirit world. But what I can't do is I can't do the hard work for you. And this is where 99.9% of each and every one of you will fail. The commitment. You aren't committed. You might like the sound of it and you might think you've had experiences, but you don't want to dabble into it. You don't want... Completely fine. Hey, if you see some of the things that I see, or you've experienced some of the things, you would probably be pretty freaked out, to be completely honest. So I understand that this isn't for everyone. But what I won't accept is that none of you can do it. You all can do it. And it's the programming of the mind. If you are telling yourself from the very beginning that you can't do it, then you are inadvertently, you are sealing your own fate. You will never become a medium if you have that attitude. Remember, gifts aren't bestowed upon us. As you have oxygen flowing through your lungs, you have the ultimate potential to be able to succeed. You have that drive, motivation, that fire within your stomach to be a medium. Then you will become a medium. If you sit back and wait for it to happen, then guess what? It ain't going to happen. This is something that you have to push for. This isn't something that you need to pay for. Now, I'm going to back up a second there, because I'm not having a go at people who charge services to teach you. Understand this, everything in this life comes at a cost. What I am saying is you should not be paying people to give you the gift. You should not be paying people to open and align your chakras so you can communicate. You can already communicate. Yes, you should maybe pay people. Some people might want paid for tutoring because it's an exchange of time. You are taking their time. So why should you not? For example, it's like of me. I do these free videos. However, this is in my spare time. I know it's some part of my journey. I will be doing this in a more, let's just say, a more business oriented fashion. This is all I'm going to be doing the rest of my life. So at some point, yes, I will probably start charging. Well, it's not that I probably will. I've already charged before. But the thing is I like coming on and doing these little free videos. I like doing these. I like to give back. But to each and every one of you who frown upon people who take payments, why shouldn't you? Is the question I'm going to ask you. Why are you entitled? What you've got to remember is a lot of human beings think they are entitled to a free ride in this life, and it's simply not the case. For myself and for other mediums who do charge, we have put time, commitment, we have put energy and effort in to be able to sculpt ourselves into the perfect vessels to be able to, and I say perfect, we're far from perfect, but we get ourselves into that good of a mindset that we can give information, spend time on teachings. So this is why I don't not agree with people being paid. What I don't agree with is the amount that people are being extorted, and the reason why. For example, I'm going to do a spell now. Each and every one of you can have this mediumistic aura cleanse, and by the time this cleanse finishes, each and every one of you will be mediums. There you go. You've had your cleanse there. People actually pay for that. And that's what gets me annoyed. That's what gets me really frustrated, because whilst I appreciate people need to make money, it's not at the expense of exploiting people. It's not at the expense of somebody else's misfortune. There are many good mediums on this earth plane, and I know I'm a very controversial person, and I know a lot of you probably think I hate everyone, and it's not that I hate everyone. I tend not to interact with any other mediums. Not because I don't like them, it's just very simple. I don't need them. I'm a lone wolf. That's the way I operate. And that's what will get my message far and wide across this land. Mark my words, each and every one of you will see. There's none of this that we just wait. We don't just wait for things to happen for us. We make things happen in the way that we want them to happen. We're sculpted in this way. Just like each and every one of you can do. So please remember, if you think that you don't have the gifts already, I hate the word gift. The word gift implies that you can do something that I can't, or I can do something that you can't. And it is so damning and frustrating to somebody like me who tries and tries and tries to help each and every one of you to overcome some of the personal struggles that you are going through. The word gift just is another stepping stone. It's another hurdle pushed in your way because you think you're not gifted. You don't need to be gifted. You just need to be a human. What you do need to have is oxygen going through your body. If you've got oxygen going through your body, then you can become a vessel. You can become a medium. You can be a conduit for the message. That's it. So anyway, I mean, I think I'm going to bring that video to an end there. I hope that I've cleared it up for each and every one of you. I hope you can now see why I don't like the word gift, and I think the word gift should be abolished from this line of work. The word gift shows somebody's, to anyone who comes to me and says, oh, they've got gifts, and I'm not having a go at people, because I know there's some people who come to the platform and they've been educated by other people and they believe there is gifts, so I'm not having a go at you. But please understand the word gift and what it is doing to you as a person. You are putting yourself from being a human above every other human because you've got a gift. It's simply not true. This is the first part of addressing your ego as an individual. So if you did like this video, remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comment section if you've got anything that you would like to ask. Also, check out the videos that are pinned at the top left and the top right. And until the next time,